YouTube channel. Hope you are all well. Students, NMAT 2024 results are out, and in today's video, I'll talk about the NMIMS 6 different campuses. What is the expected cutoff? I'll also talk about the cutoff of top business schools under NMAT 2024 apart from NMIMS. Students, NMIMS has got a legacy. It is one of the pioneer of management education in India, and we are looking at admission 2025 of about 1740 seats across NMIMS 6 different campuses. And we will be also looking at the cutoff for XIMB Bhubaneswar, also SD Bukani. We will also talk about TAPMI and other colleges. So watch this video till the end if you have given NMAT 2024 examination and you are also doing research on the cutoff of the top B schools under NMAT 2020. In this video, I will also talk about after you have met the cutoff of NMAT 2024, what should be your next step? What is the second round of selection process at NMIMS? If you have not met the cutoff for NMAT 2024, then what are your other options? All that and more in today's video. So watch this video till the end. Do like and subscribe to Apna College Net YouTube channel, because in this channel we bring you the genuine review of the top business schools in India, and we also talk about the cutoffs and the entrance examination update. Follow us on our Facebook page, Apna College, Instagram page, Apna College 1. Do visit our website, www.apnacollege.net, where you can access the list of top business schools in India. In 1981, Narsi Monjee Institute of Management Studies NMIMS was established by Sri Vile Parle Kelavani Mandal to meet the growing demand for management education in India. In 2003, NMIMS was declared a deemed to be university under Section 3 of UGC Act 1956, and in 2018 it was declared as Category 1 in the Graded Autonomy Regulation by UGC MHRD. With a legacy of 42 years, Narsi Monjee Institute of Management Studies has grown to be not only one of the top 10 B schools in India, but also emerged as a multidisciplinary and multi-campus university with 8 campuses at Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, Indore, Shirpur, Dhule, Bengaluru, Hyderabad and Chandigarh. NMIMS stands as the academic hub of choice, attracting over 26,000 full-time students and employing more than 850 full-time faculty members. Narsi Monjee Institute of Management Studies has been accredited A+ grade by NAAC. It is also a Category 1 university as ranked by MHRD, and in NIRF ranking, NMIMS has ranked 47th all over India, and the management institution is also recognized by AACSB USA. Narsi Monjee Institute of Management Studies Mumbai campus, for MBA General Management, the total seat capacity is 600. For MBA Human Resources at NMIMS Mumbai campus, seat capacity is 120. For MBA Business Analytics Mumbai campus, seat capacity 120. MBA Digital Transformation at NMIMS Mumbai campus, seat capacity 60. MBA Pharmaceutical Management at NMIMS Mumbai campus, the total seat capacity is 120. For NMIMS Bengaluru campus, the MBA seat capacity is 240. Similar to that of NMIMS Hyderabad, the seat capacity for MBA is 240. MBA total seat capacity at NMIMS Navi Mumbai campus is 120, and MBA seat capacity at NMIMS Indore campus is 120. So all total we are eyeing at 1740 seats for MBA at Narsi Monjee Institute of Management Studies across its 6 campuses. Now we will talk about NMAT 2024 cutoff for NMIMS and other prominent business schools. Before that, let us understand the factors determining NMAT 2024 cutoff, mainly the number of seats available, number of applicants, difficulty level of NMAT examination, previous year's cutoff and admission trend. These are the factors which will determine the NMAT 2024 cutoff for these institutions. One point I want to mention over here, that whatever cutoff we will be predicting over here, this will be based on the studies of previous year's NMAT cutoff. We'll start with NMIMS Mumbai campus. To consider first General MBA and MBA HR. The overall cutoff for NMAT this year for these 2 programs at NMIMS Mumbai campus stand at 235 plus score. The sectional cutoff score for language skills section is 76. For the quantitative techniques section, the sectional cutoff stands at 71, and for logical reasoning, the sectional cutoff stands at 71. We are moving on to next NMIMS Mumbai campus for MBA Business Analytics, the NMAT overall cutoff stands at 225. For MBA Digital Transformation, the NMAT cutoff stands at 222. And for MBA Pharmaceutical Management, the NMAT 2024 cutoff stands at 185. Now let us understand that for NMIMS Mumbai campus, your first attempt of NMAT score will be considered for shortlisting. For NMIMS Navi Mumbai campus, we will consider the MBA program. The NMAT overall cutoff stands at 220 to 222 with sectional cutoff in language skills section 70, quantitative technique section 64 and logical reasoning section 65. Moving further to NMIMS Bengaluru campus for MBA, the NMAT overall cutoff stands at 220 to 222. In the language skill section, the sectional cutoff is 70. In the quantitative technique section, it is 64. And for logical reasoning section, it is 65. Moving on to NMIMS Hyderabad campus, the NMAT overall cutoff for MBA program at NMIMS Hyderabad stands between 200 to 206. The sectional cutoff for language skills stands at 55, the quantitative techniques 55 and the cutoff for LR section is 55. Moving on to NMIMS Indore campus, for NMIMS Indore MBA program, the overall NMAT cutoff is expected to be 200 to 206 with sectional cutoff of language skills 50, quantitative section 55 and logical reasoning section 50. Now we will move on to XIMB Bhubaneswar. Now for XIMB Bhubaneswar, before discussing the NMAT 2024 cutoff, you have to understand that here there are two criteria, which is engineer and non-engineer, and another criteria is domicile or non-domicile. So depending on engineer or non-engineer profile background and domicile and non-domicile criteria for XIMB Bhubaneswar, the NMAT cutoff will vary. Now for domicile engineers for XIMB, HRM, RM and SM program, the NMAT cutoff stands at 231 with sectional cutoff in language skill is 80, quantitative techniques it is 70 and logical reasoning it is 70. Now moving on to domicile non-engineers, the NMAT overall cutoff will be 230. The sectional cutoff score for language skills is 80, for quantitative techniques it is 70 and for logical reasoning it is 70. Now if you are a non-domicile engineer student and you have appeared in NMAT, so you want to get admission in XIMB, then the NMAT cutoff overall will stand at 234 with sectional cutoff score of language skill section at 80, quantitative techniques at 70 and logical reasoning at 70. If you are a non-domicile, non-engineering student, so the NMAT cutoff for XIMB, HRM, RM and SM program is 232 with sectional cutoff of language skill is 80, quantitative techniques it is 70 and logical reasoning it is 70. Now that was NMIMS and XIMB Bhubaneswar. Other than NMIMS, let us consider TAPME, where the overall cutoff for NMAT 2024 stands at 220. If your NMAT cutoff score is 200, if your overall NMAT score is 222, you can expect a call from KJ Somaiya Mumbai. If for SDA Bokani Asia Center, which was formerly MISB Bokani Mumbai, the NMAT cutoff stands at 220 plus, but here I must mention that here also the profile based criteria will also be applied. On the day of interview at NMIMS Mumbai campus, you will be provided with a computer terminal where you can complete your WAT, which is actually a computer based test, and once the WAT is over, you will be given the Watson test link, and in the Watson test is a self-timed test and which has 5 types and each section has its own direction. The time allotted for Watson test is 30 minutes and automatically after 30 minutes the link will be deactivated. After the Watson test, you will be taken for the personal interview round. The key factors for selection at NMIMS stand at NMAT score 50% weightage, the WAT and Watson is 15% weightage, and the personal interview round has got 15% weightage on the selection process. Work experience and academic performance has got its individual 10% weightage each. Now what happens if your NMAT score is below the predicted NMAT cutoff? In that case, you have to create backup strategies and continue your B school search, and you can also call the helpline number. That was NMAT 2024 cutoff for all the campuses of Narsee Monjee Institute of Management Studies and top business schools as well. And I have also told you what to do if you meet the cutoff for the NMIMS campuses. Now next, if you have more queries, you can get in touch with us on the phone number right now shown on the screen. You can put your query on WhatsApp on the same number. We have generated a profile analysis form. The link of that form is given in the description box. You can put in your details over there and we can have one-to-one Q&A session with our experts exclusively with you to answer your query. Follow us on our Facebook page, Apna College, Instagram page, Apna College 1. Don't forget to like and subscribe Apna College Net YouTube channel to watch more videos on NMAT examination. Visit our website www.apnacollege.net where you can get access to the list of top business schools in India. So see you soon with a new video only on Apna College Net YouTube channel. All the best.